Ravi was always a slow starter. Every morning, his alarm rang again and again and again. He would hit the snooze button, turn around, and say, "Just 5 more minutes." But those 5 minutes always became an hour. At school, he was the boy who always rushed in late, shoes half tied, hair messy, and homework forgotten. His teachers liked him. He was smart, kind, and funny. But they all said the same thing. "Ravi, you're wasting your talent." He would smile and promise to do better, but never really did. One morning, something changed. His teacher announced a science project competition. The winner would get a small scholarship and a medal from the school principal. Ravi's best friend Meena turned to him and said, "Come on, Ravi, we can do this together." Ravi smiled, but deep inside he thought, "That sounds like a lot of work." Days passed. Meena worked hard every evening, collecting notes, making a small model, testing it again and again. Ravi kept saying, "Don't worry, I'll help tomorrow." But tomorrow never came. One afternoon, just 2 days before the presentation, Ravi went to Meena's house. She was tired, but smiling. The project was almost done. When Ravi saw it, neat, bright, and beautiful, something inside him felt heavy. He had done nothing, yet his name would be on that project too. "Meena," he said softly, "you've done all the work. It's not fair." She looked at him and smiled kindly. "Ravi, I wanted us to win together. But sometimes, if you wait too long to start, life moves ahead without you." Her words stayed in his mind the whole night. He couldn't sleep. He thought about all the times he said later. Later for homework. Later for helping his parents. Later for chasing his dreams. Later, 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 until life became full of laters and empty of results. The next morning, for the first time, Ravi woke up early. The sky was still soft and pink. He looked around his messy room and smiled a little. "Let's start small," he whispered. He made his bed, brushed his teeth right away, and sat down with a notebook. He wrote, "Today, I start changing." He went to Meena's house before school and said, "I'm sorry, I was lazy, but please teach me how this project works. I want to learn." Meena's face lit up. "Finally," she said, laughing. Together, they practiced their presentation again and again until Ravi could explain every part of it with confidence. On the competition day, they stood in front of the class. Ravi spoke clearly, smiling with pride, not because of the medal, but because he had shown up, fully this time. When their names were called as the winners, he looked at Meena and whispered, "We did it." From that day, Ravi changed little by little. He didn't become perfect overnight, no one does, but he started finishing his homework, waking up early, helping at home, and even joining the school football team. He realized something powerful. Once you take the first step, laziness loses its strength. And every time he felt tired or lazy again, he remembered Meena's words, "If you wait too long to start, life moves ahead without you." Moral? Start small. Start today, because waiting for the right moment often means never starting at all. If you liked this story, please give it a like and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more inspiring English stories like this one. See you in the next story. Stay kind, stay peaceful, and keep learning.